Man, it looks like Corey's having a lot of fun right now. And for folks listening, fun might be the last thing that they think about in these intense three-star environments like per se. But how do you think about fun in your work life?
I think the fun part is sure it's the creating part of doing, a knife cut or a different sauce but it's also getting everyone inspired around you, and because I have experience and because I'm the chef there, it's also my job to help inspire others. After I started to be the chef for a little bit, I was thinking about these ideas and inspirations, where we get inspired from. I put on a big dry erase board. And on this dry erase board, I had a P-touch of everyone's name, including my name, the sous chefs, and all the chef parties. And then there's a dry erase marker there, and it was the inspiration board.
Wow.
And everyone wrote their ideas that they had, that a project that they wanted to do or they wanted to try, and put it on the board. And I was proud to show people that everyone has an idea here, and we just feed off of each other. That's what makes everything so unique to how we did it. But it gave everyone a little more confidence to, they don't have to tell anyone their idea, right? You can just walk up there and write it and see what everyone thinks.